Today, I'm diving into the world of cybersecurity. What is it, and why does it matter? Stick around because I'm about to unravel the mysteries of this critical field. 1. Defining cybersecurity. To kick things off, let's define cybersecurity. At its core, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and digital data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. Think of it as the digital locks, alarms, and security measures that safeguard our online lives. 2. The importance of cybersecurity. Now, you might wonder, why does cybersecurity matter? Well, it's essential for several reasons. First, our lives are becoming increasingly digital. We store personal information, conduct financial transactions, and communicate online. Without cybersecurity, all of this data would be vulnerable to cyber attacks. 3. Types of cyber threats. Cybersecurity is essential because there are numerous cyber threats out there. Some common ones include malware. This includes viruses, worms, and ransomware that can infect your devices and steal your data. Phishing. Cybercriminals use deceptive emails and websites to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Hacking. Unauthorized access to computer systems or networks by exploiting vulnerabilities. Data breaches. When cybercriminals gain access to sensitive data, like credit card numbers or personal information, it can lead to identity theft and financial loss. 4. Key components of cybersecurity. So, what are the key components of cybersecurity? Let's break them down. Firewalls. These are like the guards at the gates of your digital world, monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. Antivirus software. It scans your devices for malware and removes or quarantines threats. Encryption. Converts your data into a secure format to prevent unauthorized access. Password management. Using strong, unique passwords for each account and implementing multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. 5. Cybersecurity in everyday life. Cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts. It's relevant to all of us. Whether you're shopping online, using social media, or even just sending an email, you're engaging in activities that involve cybersecurity. Being aware of potential risks and practicing safe online habits is crucial. 6. Staying informed and educated. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge regularly, and technology advances at a rapid pace. It's essential to stay informed and educated about the latest trends and best practices in cybersecurity. That wraps up my exploration of cybersecurity. It's a field that impacts us all, whether we realize it or not. By understanding what cybersecurity is and why it matters, we can take steps to protect ourselves in our increasingly digital world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wallex Everything for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.